Let's go mining. As we reach the end of another cycle, we can talk about the bounty program, because I saw that in some requested comments, as some people have some problems with that. So let's head straight into it. The first one, now we are here at the referral program. The first one is a referral purchase, meaning if you have a new user referred and the first time he purchases something, you get 50 points. The next one is refer a friend. This is basically the first step before you can accomplish the above task. And the next one is the Telegram. In Telegram, it's important that you link your Telegram account. And although it's saying just 10 meaningful messages, just engage in the community. So I have not ever reached 10 messages and I got my 20 points. They want to see some engagement. Right? I think when I did these tasks in the past, I needed around 30 minutes over 3 days, so in total 1 hour and 30, in more or less loosely chatting. So post questions, provide answers, just engage with the community, and especially try to be active at points where you can see that other moderators, for example Aris, which I think you can see around 10-11 UTC in the chat, be active, because these are the people that actually are rewarding you for your engagement. So keep it up, just write meaningful stuff, not just, hey, but you should start with it probably. And you sooner or later get rewarded, but the more, the better. Next up is the X or Twitter task, where you at least need 10 subscribers. And in my case, at least for me, when I reached the 10 subscribers, it didn't work in the first week. I had basically to wait the complete cycle until it's done before it started working. So you need to link your X account, and afterwards you basically hit here and hit the calculate score button, which will hopefully calculate your tweet score. You can see here it takes a time, and then it just cannot work sometimes. In this case it worked on the first try, but if it's not working, it's throwing you some errors, and my approach was just to close it, maybe even close the tab and try it again a couple hours later. So it will not help, or at least in my case, it never helped when I just re-hit the button, but give it some time, try it later. I don't know exactly what is happening in the background, but afterwards click the share post, and then X should open if your account is linked correctly, and you see directly the post you need to retweet. So you're just doing that, you repost it, and you need to keep that active. So you need to repost it the whole time. You can write a message if you want to, but nobody forces you to. Let it stay active, and the mods or somebody will check it each day. And if it's still reposted, you will get your point the next days. Watch a YouTube video. I never did, so I cannot tell you anything about that. And the Reddit post, which I also cannot tell you anything, has been removed as it seemed. Maybe it's coming back, I don't know. But these are my experiences with the bounty program tasks. I currently just do the X because I'm too lazy to chat. But apart from that, if you have further questions, let me know. And I hope this was some kind of helpful.